Hey folks, JD here, and today we've got the FPV video of the Star Wars Propel speeder bike. Now, as you can probably tell, I recorded this in the summer and was waiting for all these dark mornings so that I could post this, that we'd have some really nice weather to look at through these very dark and very grey mornings. Now, before we get on with what's coming this week, do you guys find these videos, these weekly updates, helpful? Let me know in the comments exactly what your thoughts are on this. If you find them helpful, if you want me to keep doing them, I will keep doing them. I don't mind. I just want to know your thoughts on them as we go forward into 2019. Right then, let's get started with Monday. So Monday, we're taking the Traxxas Stampede over a BMX track in Yate, and I just bashed the absolute hell out of this. Jumps, skids, crashes, more crashes than anything else. FPV video, the lot. This thing just really takes one hell of a beating. Tuesday, we have the SJRC S5 GPS unboxing. And on Wednesday, we have the SJRC S5 GPS flight. This is a really nice quad. I'm very, very satisfied with this. I'm not telling you any more than that. Tune in on Wednesday to see the flight, and I would love to hear your comments too. Thursday is the Z51 versus the XK Reaper plane flight comparison. So which one is better? Is one better? I go through what I think of the flights and what I think of both of the planes side by side. Friday we have the Visuo X819 GPS revisit. So it's been many months since we flew this, and I take it out on a very, very still day, very cold day, and see exactly how much I've been missing this quad. I do love to fly this. On Saturday we have the good old FlySky i6X unboxing. So my FlySky now is getting quite old. I bought a new i6X. The reason I went with this particular transmitter, I know it's old, but it's true, tried and tested, and just works. And on Sunday we have the FTX Canyon 100-foot woodland hill climb. Yes, that's right. It took me over 55 minutes to climb this thing 100 foot through woodland, but we did it and it was a blast. This is such a capable truck. I absolutely love it. And yes, it's even more broken now than what you saw in the video on Saturday last week for the 1 month on video. Alright then, my friends, well, that's how the week is shaping up. I hope you all have a fantastic week in whatever you do. Please look after yourselves and others. Have a fantastic week, my friends. Thank you ever so much for being part of the community, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care, my friends, and happy flying.